Don Mueang Technical College, under the Office of Vocational Education Commission, provides vocational education for aircraft maintenance to the students of the diploma level. The Aircraft Maintenance Department at Don Mueang Technical College was started in the year 2017, and as of now, it has been 4 years old.
For the organization chart of the Aircraft Maintenance Department, we have the Director of Don Mueang Technical College, Mr. Piche Sukhun, holding the position of Accountable Manager, Dr. Anushit Klapasit, holds the position of Training Manager,